Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you redeem a V-Bucks code from Epic Games to Fortnite. So first of all, you're going to open Google on any browser that you're working on, and then you're going to search for Epic Games. When you search for Epic Games, you're going to click on the first link of Epic Games, and then when you click on it, you're going to be introduced to this web page. When you're onto this web page, you're going to go all the way to the top right. You're first going to need to sign in. After you sign in, you're going to go all the way to the top right on your account and click on Redeem Code. When you redeem code, you're going to click onto you're going to paste your 16-digit code, which is in my case this. Now, when you paste your 16-digit code, you're going to click on redeem. When you click on redeem, you have to pick your device that you're working on, which is basically either PC, Xbox, PlayStation. And after that, when you do this, it's that easy. You're just going to click redeem and it's going to appear in your Fortnite game. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next video.